welcome to Indie Viral. My name is Rupali and you're watching Street Talk. Today I'm gonna ask people whether paid sex is good or bad. So let's check out what they think.
It's been happening since the dawn of man, so it's a necessity.
I think it's a question that you should ask men more than women.
Depends on my mood, my salary.
I think paid sex तो होना ही नहीं चाहिए, कुछ भी हो जाए नहीं.
Makes no sense actually to me. How can you actually even enjoy that?
Since it will decrease the number of rapes and other victims like.
Crime reduce करने में बहुत help करेगा if we legalize prostitution. Obviously it's good.
Depends on the level of frustration. No, seriously, treating prostitutes like they're bad is bad. What they're doing is for their own living. Yes, we can do something better for them, definitely.
I think everyone, strive for their own happiness. So if they find their happiness in this, I think it's fine.
And paid sex is better because you are paying someone who needs it, and rather than raping someone else.
I think being a woman, I don't think I need to pay for sex because I get a lot of it, and sometimes I have to reject it. Yeah, I think we should not pay for sex, but yeah, there are a lot of people who are like really sexually frustrated. So I think that's not really altogether a very bad idea for them.
It is better to go to pay a person that is her work than to go to rape a woman in the street,
I think it's bad. That is something that you are putting the feminism and girls' reputation down.
Consequences negative and positive दोनों हैं. Negative sense में तो हो सकता है कि trafficking हो जाए, like forcefully लेके जाए, दिल्ली में rapes and all हो रहे हैं, हो सकता है कम हो जाए.
जिनसे नई गर्लफ्रेंड फंसती है वो कर सकते हैं.
Definitely bad. Because you're paying for something you can get after marriage, so it's like bad.
It's good sometimes and it's bad sometimes. हमारी country के अंदर जो बहुत सारे rapes हो रहे हैं उसके लिए बहुत अच्छा है. Bad कई लड़कियों की लाइफ खराब हो रही है इस चीज़ से.
If the person is willing to do it for money, it's okay, na? It's not forceful.
It's not something we should pay for.
And you can just go for that, enjoy yourself and just come out instead of just going here and there,
I don't think it's that bad. If it's done with precautions, it's not bad at all.
Good if it's properly legalized. Like it's good for sex workers.
Bad.
Bad.
It's bad.
Bad. It's bad. Yes. It's bad.
Because it's no love.
I hope you like this video. Do share your ideas for our next video in the comment section below. And सबसे ज़रूरी बात, like करो, share करो, subscribe करो, only on Indie Viral. Don't forget to go to the App Store and download Loud Shout app. You can choose a base camp and start posting. The best part being, आपकी identity कभी भी reveal नहीं होगी. So go and post. This is Rupali signing off. Go IVY.